Welcome to this tutorial where I'll guide you through creating a tilt-shift miniature effect using CapCut PC. Let's take a look at how to achieve this effect using a sample video. For CapCut Pro users, access the Effects tab and search for the tilt-shift lens effect. Drag and drop the effect onto the timeline as an overlay. Adjust the duration to match your video. Click on the effect layer, then on the right side, adjust the range, blur, vertical rotation, color, and filter settings until you achieve the desired miniature effect. For free CapCut users, follow these steps to create a tilt-shift effect similar to the Pro version. Start by going to the adjustment settings and set the saturation and sharpen to 25. Use the HSL tool to adjust colors as needed. Next, head to the Effects tab, add a blur effect, and set the blur level between 20 to 50. Duplicate your video and place the duplicate on the overlay track. Go to the video mask. Choose the rectangle shape. Adjust the size and position to cover the object in your video. Don't forget to fine-tune the feather settings for a seamless blend. Now, let's preview the results of your tilt-shift miniature effect. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.